So I'm just going to quickly show you how I change the feet on my sewing machine. Every sewing machine is different. So if this doesn't help, maybe try doing a Google search or YouTube search to find one that is more compatible with your machine. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to lift the foot up, and we do that by lifting this lever. Your lever might look different, but you should have something like this. We're going to lift the foot up. We also want to make sure that our needle is not down. So if your needle is down, turn the hand wheel until it is all the way up. And then we're going to come around to the side. So I'm going to press this button here, and what will happen is it will release my foot. Your button might look a little bit different, but it should be somewhere around here at the back. Press that button, releasing the foot. Take that foot away, and then we're going to take the one we are attaching. This is our 1/4 inch foot, and we want to make sure it's facing the right way with the little ledge or guide facing towards the right. So we take our foot and place it underneath so that the bar is lined up with the groove, so that when we lower our foot it can latch onto the bar, holding the foot in place. When we're ready, we lower our foot and we heard that click on. We lift up our foot, we can give it a little wiggle to make sure it's being held there securely.